Well, I don't think there's much enthusiasm in Ireland for nuclear energy. I suppose I would say two things. First of all, traditionally there's been huge opposition to it, and in fact it's prohibited by law in Ireland. The second thing is that on the scale, if you look at Ireland, just the economics of nuclear in Ireland, probably, at least at the moment, probably don't make sense. So the kind of investment that you would need, I mean, just look at some of the investments that are underway in the UK and in other countries. They're huge investments with big sort of long-term investment requirements of multi-billion commitments. That kind of scale of a project is never really going to work in Ireland. So I think there's a scale issue here, the economics of it, and also I think that there would be a lot of persuading to do, I think, of the Irish people in relation to nuclear. So I don't think it's out in terms of the immediate period, immediate or medium term in any event. Well, my white paper certainly won't be advocating or advancing nuclear. You know, you can never rule anything out when you're talking about energy. I mean, if you talk about renewable energy and clean energy, nuclear, of course, is in the category, relatively speaking, of clean energy. But there are huge safety concerns that people have around the world. And as you know, Germany have turned their back, Austria don't do it. Lots of countries are moving away from nuclear. France and the UK are probably pretty strongly in the other camp. But I don't see Ireland joining. I don't see Ireland introducing nuclear. Certainly not while I'm minister, or you know, within the purview of this white paper. Certainly not.
Okay, all right.